Welcome students for today's session. Today we will see the subject Principles of Management. So under that we will see the organizing. Organizing is a function by which the concern is able to define the role positions, the jobs related and the coordination between authority and responsibility. Hence a manager always has to organize in order to get the result. The purpose of organizing is to get a expected result. That is our ultimate. So to get an expected result, you have to do the organizing in a proper sequence to get a proper expected outcome. So for that we will be having a nature of organizing. So under the nature of organizing, you will be having 8 divisions. The first one, group of persons. Second one, common objectives. Third one, division of work. Fourth one, coordination. Fifth one, communication. Sixth one, central authority. And seventh one, rules and regulations. And the last one, environment. So we will see one by one. So when you are saying a common objective for any organization, you will be having a defined common objective. The group has to work to attain the common goal of any organization. So that is very important. To attain the common goal, coordination among the members is very much important. Next one, group of people. So grouping a people is also very important when you are talking about organizing. So while grouping, you have to group the similar objective persons together. That is, the those who are having a similar goal or objective, if you combine together, you can able to attain the good result, or otherwise you cannot able to get the expected outcome from that particular group. So grouping is very important. So you have to group the people to work together and to get an organizational objective. The next one is division of work. So for example, if you are taking an IT company, so each companies will be having their own projects. So once they get a project, so they have to divide the project into number of groups, and each task will be allocated for different groups, and see to that what are the expected outcome for the particular task the particular group has to give it. So in such a way that you have to divide the project. So then only we can make the group to work efficiently and effectively. If they work efficiently and effectively only, we can able to attain the outcome of a particular project. Next one is coordination. So it is a coordination between the members in a group. So between the members, coordinating among themselves is very important, and they have to have an attitude of willing to help each other. So then only we can able to work together properly, and we can able to finally get an outcome of that particular task. So coordination among the members is very important. The next, communication. So you have to have a central authority to give a communication among the group members, and among the group members you have to have a proper communication. So then only we can work efficiently and effectively to attain the outcome of that particular task. That is very important. Next one is authority. So generally if you are saying an authority, you will be having a central directing authority which controls the concerned efforts of the group. It is a chain of authority. You will be generally having top to bottom authority or otherwise horizontal authority. Okay, that is a chain is a horizontal one or top to bottom, depending upon the type of the organization where we are working. So this is very important. So then only we can able to properly communicate among the group of members, and authority flow should be in a proper manner. So next one is rules and regulation. So any organization, when you are talking about, they will be having a certain defined or frame rules and regulation. So we have to enforce the rules and regulation to the employees and see to that it is followed strictly. So then only we can able to get a proper outcome from the employees. The last one is environment. So when you are saying an environment, it is classified into 4 types, that is economic, social, political and legal factors. So when you are saying an economic and social, so it depends upon where the company is located. So according to the economic condition and the social condition of that particular environment where the organization is located, you have to frame the things. That is, you have to organize the things. Then only you can able to get a proper outcome. The next one is you have to see to that what is a political condition in that particular place. Accordingly, again you have to design your organizing strain. Then the last one, you have to consider all the legal factors while framing your organizing. Then only you can able to get a proper outcome. So these are the different categories you are having under the environment. So totally if you take about the organizing, it is categorized into 8. So all the 8 plays a vital role while framing your organizing. The next one is formal and informal organization. So depending upon the type of the organization, whether it is a large scale organization or medium scale organization or small scale organization, you will be having a formal structure or informal structure of an organization. So when you are saying a formal structure, it is defined as the relationship among the organizational resources as outlined by management. That is, you will define everything according to the outline of an management or organization. So everything is well defined and everything is well planned, and whatever thing you are doing, everything in an organized way. So generally, if you are saying a formal structure, it is used for a large scale and medium scale organizations. And when you are saying an informal structure, it is defined as a patterns of relationship that develop because of informal activities of organizational members. So it is generally when you are talking about informal structure, it is called small scale organizations where all the things are framed instantaneously, and depending upon the nature, depending upon the psychology of the employees, so all the things are changing instantaneously. So that is why this informal structure of organization is used for a small scale organization, and formal structure is used for large scale and medium scale organization. So these are the 2 types of organizations you are having. So here you will be having a more difference between a formal structure and informal structure, so that we will see it in the next. Thank you students. Thank you.